Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download the game faster on Xbox Game Pass. So if your Xbox downloads are slow, try these steps to speed them up. So here the first step: close all background app, then press the Xbox button on your controller, then go to my games and apps, then select all, then under that click on manage queues, then pause or cancel all other downloads and updates. Then if playing online, quit all running games to boost speed, and also on the step to restart your Xbox and router, then turn off your Xbox and unplug it for 30 seconds, then restart your Wi-Fi router, then turn on your Xbox back and check download speed. Then on step 3, use a wired connection. If possible, connect your Xbox directly to the router using an extranet cable for the best speed. Then on step 4, you have to change the DNS settings for faster speed. Go to the settings, click on general, then click on network, then click on network settings and click on advanced settings, then select the DNS manual. So choose the fast DNS for the primary, secondary, and save and restart your Xbox. Then after that, download during off-peak hours. Try downloading at night when fewer people are using the internet, and now your Xbox Game Pass should download much faster. So if you found this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.